Hey, so I went hiking Saturday and went out to this waterfall, met this really great young couple and stuff, and hung out and I don't know by the water and stuff, and it was really great to be out in nature. I had a run in with a raven, well, not a run in, but it was really just it was a pretty incredible experience. I miss that side. I used to be really in touch with my hiking and camping side and connecting with nature. I need more of that. Anyways, while I was hiking, I had a lot of thoughts, and one of my thoughts is I've been thinking about like the Terrence Howard interview on Joe Rogan and his math and some of the things he's thrown out there and certain fundamental concepts. Could we have anything wrong? And I'm just wondering about the number zero. It's what is zero? I mean, we don't have the year zero, right? It goes from -1 BC to 1 AD. So why? I just, anyways, I just asked ChatGPT two questions, and I want to share those with you. So I said, please define, and this is ChatGPT 4.0, brand new conversation. So I said, please define the number zero, and then let's play it. All right.
The number zero, is a unique number in mathematics that serves as the integer between the positive and negative numbers on the number line. It has several key properties and functions. One neutral element in addition. Zero is the additive identity, meaning that any number added to zero remains unchanged. For any number a plus zero equals a. 2. Multiplicative property. Any number multiplied by zero equals zero. For any number a times zero equals zero. 3. Subtraction and negation. Subtracting zero from any number leaves the number unchanged. For any number a minus zero equals a. Also, zero is the only real number that is equal to its opposite, as zero equals 90. 4. Division. Division by zero is undefined in mathematics, as it does not result in a finite or well-defined number. However, zero divided by any non-zero number is zero. For any non-zero number a, 0 div a equals 0. 5. Place value in numerals. In the decimal system, 0 is used as a placeholder to denote the absence of a value in a particular place. For example, in the number 102, the 0 indicates that there are no tens. 6. Limit concept in calculus. In calculus, 0 plays a crucial role in the concept of limits, where it often represents a value that a function approaches as an input approaches a certain point. 7. Set theory. In set theory, 0 can be represented by the empty set denoted by keep, which contains no elements. 0 is fundamental in various branches of mathematics, including algebra, calculus, and number theory, and it is essential for the structure of the number system.
Essential for the structure of the number system. Well, could we have the number system completely wrong? Or, well, not completely wrong, but something fundamentally about it. I value the null set, the empty set. It's that makes sense. But what is zero? I mean, and so the next question I asked was, in other words, something, as in zero, represents nothing. Well, what is nothing? And let's see what ChatGPT says here.
Yes, in a way, the number 00 is used to represent the concept of nothing, or the absence of quantity in mathematics. However, nothing is a more abstract and philosophical concept. Understanding nothing. 1. Philosophical perspective. In philosophy, nothing is often discussed in terms of non-existence or the absence of anything. It can be challenging to define nothing without referencing something, because the very act of defining or conceptualizing requires some form of existence or presence. Famous philosophical inquiries, such as those by Martin Heidegger, explore the nature of being and nothingness, questioning how we can understand or perceive nothing. Number 2, physical perspective. In physics, nothing might be considered a vacuum, a space devoid of matter. However, even a vacuum in quantum physics isn't truly nothing, because it can have fluctuating energy levels and virtual particles. Concepts like the quantum vacuum show that what we might perceive as empty space is actually a dynamic environment. Mathematical perspective. In mathematics, nothing is often represented by zero, the empty set, or null values in datasets. Zero is crucial for arithmetic and algebra, serving as a neutral element in addition and a marker for absence in positional notation systems. Zero versus nothing. Zero. In mathematics, zero is a defined number with specific properties and roles within the number system. It serves as a placeholder, a neutral element in addition, and a point of reference on the number line. Nothing is a more abstract concept that refers to the absence of anything, which can be difficult to conceptualize because human understanding typically relies on the presence of things. Examples to illustrate mathematics. When we say 0 plus 5 equals 5, we are saying that adding nothing to 5 leaves it unchanged. The empty set is a set that contains no elements, representing the idea of nothing in set theory. Philosophy. The question, why is there something rather than nothing, explores why the universe exists instead of there being a complete void of existence. Physics. A vacuum is often considered nothing, but in reality, it has properties and potential energy fluctuations. In summary, while zero is a mathematical symbol used to represent the absence of quantity, nothing is a broader concept that can take on different meanings in various contexts, including philosophy, physics, and everyday language.
So if mathematics is the language of science and the universe, but nothing actually exists, like there is no such thing as nothing in the universe, then why do we have a number, a fundamental number, an integer, that represents nothing? Like, I get the null set, I get the absence of something, but how can we have something represent nothing at all? I mean, you can have close to nothing. You can have 0.0000001 or something, right? But can you absolutely have nothing? Like, I have problems with the number zero. And another thing that I need to explore and go into further, something that never, when I learned about it in school, were imaginary numbers. I was like, what's that mean? Like, conceptually, and like, what is an imaginary number? Nothing. Zero. I think this could be a fundamental error that's holding us back mathematically and scientifically, and maybe spiritually. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Just random musings. I'm just like throwing things out there. Bye.